African kitchen. What you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen. What you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my hands. African kitchen, what you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen, what you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my...
All glory to God for yet another opportunity to come onto your viewing living room with another interesting episode of African Kitchen. My name is Buki Ogunota and it's my pleasure to be with you on this particular episode. How have you been? It's my pleasure seeing you. I'm sending a special greeting to all our fans, all our viewers that have been following us, especially people that have been sending messages, feedbacks onto us. We really appreciate you and we want to say thank you. All right, without wasting too much time, today promises to be interesting and exciting. It might not be something new though, but I tell you, you're still going to learn one or two new things. So stay glued to your TV set, don't change the dial because the program is African Kitchen, your #1 television cookery program. I'll be right back with my guest. Stay tuned. You're welcome back. If you're just joining, the program is just starting, so no cause for alarm. You have not missed anything at all. All right, my guest cook is here with me in the kitchen. Let me bring him in without wasting so much time. So please, why not join me as I welcome you to the kitchen, Mr. Precious Uzoma. You're welcome. Please come in, sir. Come into the kitchen. It's nice having you here. In fact, this place where I see, I'm convinced that you can really cook. You're welcome. So do you want to say hello to viewers at home? Let them know that you're here. African Kitchen. Okay. All right, Mr. Precious, what do you do for a living? Where are you from? Please speak out because they want to see you. For a local government area. Okay. Men clothes. Is that not selfishness? Why only male? Why men alone? Why you not join women clothes now? It's okay. Anyway, I think I'm partially sure. All right. So how's the business been? Okay, now I want you to greet people in your dialect. I believe you can speak your dialect. African. Hey, nice one. All right. Without wasting too much time, maybe you want to raise your hand so that we can start cooking. Mr. Precious is here in the kitchen. He wants to prepare ofe egusi abi. That's what he calls it. But egusi soup. But the ingredients he's going to use is going to be taking us through one after the other so that we know what he's preparing. So take us through one by one. What do you want to use to prepare this egusi? That is the egusi, okay? Ogo. Okay, we're going to garnish it with ugu. Crayfish. Okay. Oh. Hey, gang. All right. Salt to taste. Me. So that means we're going to eat it with yellow gari. Nice one. And this one is Cameroon pepper. Nice one. It's going to give it good taste and flavor. All right, let's get started. Okay, the pot is dry now.
Yeah,
so
the pot is dry. Now we're not pour there.
who taught you how to cook?
My mom now.
Everybody, my mom. Nobody saying my wife. Eh? Now mom, everybody.
You learn it before you get married.
Abi, okay, so you learn cooking before you marry.
Yeah.
That's nice. So obviously the mama teach you.
Yeah.
Okay, oh. No wahala. Do you help mommy your wife to cook at all? Abi?
Sometimes.
Okay,
So now
your
we'll start from
onion.
this onion.
Okay. So viewers, please follow suit. It's preparing
Nothing boiled.
egusi soup bath.
Yeah. So you now pour the egusi.
Okay.
You do not turn
You
it.
turn egusi.
Yeah.
Inside the oil.
Yeah. When you turn it, you leave it a little bit to boil.
Just like that.
Let me just
Okay. Okay. So you leave it like this.
just a little
It
bit.
fries.
After sometimes you now take the crayfish. I'll pour the crayfish now
Okay.
and turn it again.
I can see the way you handle spoon. It shows you can cook. We know men wey fit sabi cook.
So after that,
Okay.
you now go with the bomo.
All right.
So cover it, let it boil a little bit before.
Okay. So this kind of soup, if you want to prepare it, can it go for a ceremony, as in special event? Can they use it for special event?
Exactly. In
And
any year,
wedding.
any
Naming.
ceremony, whatever.
So what else can I use it to eat apart from gari?
You can use semo.
Okay.
You can use wheat.
I'm talking about the things you can prepare.
I can prepare semo.
Hey, gege, you can prepare semo.
Also wheat.
Okay.
So you can use fufu or this pounded yam.
Pounded yam.
Yeah.
It will be nice. Okay, okay. So this one now is boiling.
Yeah. So now open it and turn it.
This is a different style entirely.
So the
Cameroon pepper.
Cameroon pepper will now go.
Wow. This will be very spicy.
So the meat will now follow.
So that the thing can
Enter.
enter well,
Yeah.
can become soft. Okay.
You now close it again.
Okay. So let me just ask you, in the business line,
Yeah.
have there been any challenges so far?
And
You
then-
know, because when you people say you do men alone, there must be a reason why you don't want to go into female wears, especially wears, because the rate at which women buy clothes, it passed the rate at which men buy clothes.
Yeah.
So how do you make sales?
So in women wears,
Okay.
men they don't buy regularly, and the moment they buy, we use gain to sell men wears. But female, there's not much gain. You sell female frequently because a little gain, because their design enter every week.
Okay.
Every week design enter. The one they produce today, tomorrow another one will come. So if you don't say that one away,
That is
it will be
lost.
another loss for you. So we sell it any amount. But men wears, even though 100 years to come, it remain there. If you sell it, then you sell it in a better amount.
Oh God, I like this. I'm still going to come back there because let's make Gary. That is how you pour the yellow Gary. We are helping. Everybody with his own style, oh.
Pour it small.
Everybody with his own style. Make I put more.
Yeah, small. Okay, it's okay.
All right. So viewers, don't go anywhere. We are still here. Any moment from now, we are going to be out of the kitchen because, as you can see, wow. Can I stir this? Look at this.
No, it's about to put some salt there. No,
Yes,
no salt.
you have not added. Maybe I help you to.
Yes.
When is this one going in?
This one will go later.
Let me see how you're going to add that one. Okay.
At this point, it's not strong.
Can you imagine? See how the egusi has come out. So that gari is okay like it is now.
Yeah.
You can use your hand for this one.
I'm gonna put this.
Now wow, this one, you know they sweat.
Me? I don't rub anything.
Now people will rub something, they sweat. You are not serious.
Now
Now,
organ
the
leave and enter.
oh, that means we don't finish the soup. This one no go now.
No, that one will go later.
Oh really?
The moment they enter,
Eh.
this Zibo.
Okay, sorry oh. So that the aroma go dey there wella. Wow.
Now cover it.
You know one mix am together up yet
No, a little
until
bit.
the simmer. So that garri now don't do.
Don't do.
The garri don't do. And you can
No soap here.
no, you can use clean your hand for now. So it's because of the game, really. That is why you don't venture into female clothes.
Yeah.
That's the main reason. So the profit you make, one profit in a man's clothes, you can use it to double.
For a female one.
Now wow. Is that not selfishness?
No, it's not soap.
It's not selfishness, it's business.
It's business.
It's business. I hear you. So our garri is ready, ba? The yellow garri. So now the vegetable.
It's boiling.
Okay. This is ready because it is vegetable. We're not supposed to overcook it. We're not supposed. So this one comes in.
You know, in Igbo land, they don't use this. They use something like leaf. So when you tear it, throw it.
The aroma go come out. So this is the one that will bring the aroma out very well. All right, Mr. Precious must not leave my kitchen without dancing. He must dance for me. I believe my DJ is ready. Mr. Precious, I'm sure you sabi dance.
That's unless you put Igbo.
Which one be Igbo? I will play anyone where I like for you. Okay? Okay. Our soup is ready. It's vegetable. It's not supposed to overstay.
No.
But while we are waiting for it to simmer, Do I need to cover it? Or
Yeah,
should
yeah.
it?
A lot.
Now, Mr. Precious, I want you to carry body for me. My DJ, over to you. Please give me music. I want to carry body with Mr. Precious. Let's do something. Ngwa.
Ewele apun, ilẹ̀ pọ̀n, tó tóbi tó yìí, ó ga jù, ó ń dá mi lọ́rùn, ó le jù, ó yí mi lórí. All my sexy ladies, pàwọn, pàwọn, pàwọn. All my sexy mamas, pàwọn, pàwọn, pàwọn. Jojo, pàwọn, Juju, pàwọn, Chuchu, pàwọn, Titi, pàwọn, Kiki, pàwọn, Tọ́lá, pàwọn, Yeye, pàwọn, Bibi, pàwọn, Jojo, pàwọn, Chuchu, pàwọn, Titi, pàwọn, Kiki, pàwọn, Tọ́lá, pàwọn, Yeye, pàwọn, Bibi, pàwọn, Jojo, pàwọn. Give me back, oh, baka boom boom, bagun back, oh, baba boom boom. How you doing? How are you? Jenshi nurses like Tanyun, waist tiny like London Road, baka big.
Thank you so much. I clap for you. In fact, you try. Honestly, Mr. Precious, you have indeed tried.
Yeah.
Well, viewers at home, as you can see, our yellow gari is ready. And look at the face of this egusi garnished with ugu. Wow. Isn't this inviting and appetizing? Wow. Wow. I've not tasted it, but even the aroma. I like the ogiri aroma as you have added it. I think that is the style I'll be using. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Thank you very much. Well, viewers, don't go away. The program continues in Still African Kitchen. Let's go to the table and eat along with Mr. Precious. God bless you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much. Well, viewers, please, this is a special episode. Don't mind us. That we did not even wait to introduce ourselves before eating. In fact, this kind of food, you dare not waste time on it. While you're eating, let's quickly meet you.
My name is Omotayo Alex. My name is Omotayo Alex.
Omotayo Alex is here with us.
Yes.
Relishing this egusi soup. In fact, you can see that it's not. It really means business.
Yes.
Okay, just continue with us. We'll see you very soon. Wow. Before I say my way, let me hear from
Wow. The food is really nice.
you. Okay.
It makes me to remember home very well.
Okay.
My mom used to cook this kind of food.
Mm.
I never eat this kind of food in Buka, except cook. You really try. I really love it.
Thank you for it.
So you really felt the own taste.
Yeah. Really felt.
That's nice. That's good. What do you feel like?
Very insightful.
I'm fine. I enjoyed the vegetable. You can see. I finished everything. The salt was not too much for me. And I love the aroma of the
Agree.
ogiri. It did not disappear.
Yeah.
And we adopt that style. You know, my fear used to be say the thing no go talk.
No. It don't used to be done like that. The moment you're about to bring it down, you put it, just a little bit fire, spread it.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you very much.
Well, viewers, I'm sure if you adopt this style, you will understand what we're talking about, and you will really love it. Because as for me, henceforth, I'm going to adopt this style, and I'm sure it will work for me.
Yeah.
If it does, it will definitely work for you.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We have to close now so that we'll be back again next week. I will be back again next week. The program is Still African Kitchen. Continue to eat good food, not just anything, not just junk. You need to eat with them. Balanced diet. That is what is good for you. Turn your food into your medicine. so that you don't start running after medicine in the future. Thank you very much. So this month, I'm going to close this curtain and I'll be back next week with another guest. I remain Buki Ogunati. I say a very big thank you to you, my production team. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, man.
You deserve this.
Thank you.
Powerful.
Thank you.
All right then, from every one of us viewers, we say bye-bye. God bless you. I'll see you next time.